Guys, I'm back. It's another episode of Pokemon Rumble U. Beautiful. Gonna unbox it right now. Just remember, where's the pic? Okay, here. Where's the little thing? Oh, here. Oh, there. Please don't be a duplicate, or I had to return it by force. Oh, wait. I never thought of this. But I actually... I might save this box. Oh, wow. So clear. Oh. Just... Wait, I got another idea. What I like to do is check here if it's not a duplicate. It's pointy. What color is it? Oh, I bet it's a Darkrai. Yep, I bet it's a Darkrai. I just bet it's a Darkrai. Oh, and I was correct, yeah. Darkrai. So cool, so cool. I have another one, but I don't have time for that. And you guys, if you try to return these, like, you get a duplicate, this is what I like to do. Look. Pretend it's already in the ball, right? Close it. You see this? Oops. See this? You see this? What I like to do is you see this sticker here? The price thingamajig. It's like right next to the Rumble U, this one. What I like to do is I want some more juice. Just take it off. Oh my gosh. Okay, still good enough, good enough. Okay. Since I ripped it, I like to do this. Wait. Come on. It's not big enough yet. Unless... Wait. And the part you ripped it, you could just put this price thingy. Wait. And here, good as new. See? You'll cover right here. Perfectly fine. But since I didn't get a duplicate. Oh, but it looks nice like this. Nah, okay. Return. Return. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Daddy? Daddy, I'm coming. Well, that was the end. Well, peace out, you guys. See you in the future.